The Supreme Court sending shockwaves to colleges across the country with its latest ruling.
In a 6-3 ruling, the court ended affirmative action in the college admissions process, meaning colleges and universities can no longer take race into consideration as a specific basis for granting admission.
Writing for the majority, Chief Justice John Roberts said affirmative action programs violate the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause and, quote, unavoidably employ race in a negative manner, involve racial stereotyping, and lack meaningful endpoints. However, the court did leave the door open for universities to consider student essays discussing the impact of race in their lives. Well, many in academia believe affirmative action has led to more diverse campuses, which in turn created more ideas and perspectives.
Now, those against it claim affirmative action disregards an applicant's qualifications and desire to learn. WVTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn has been following the ruling. How are universities moving forward after this ruling, Aaron?
Guys, Sherry, this decision could affect students applying to college even as early as this year. Experts say that this could make the college admission process more difficult for some students. It's a move some say they saw coming down from the Supreme Court. The High Court striking down affirmative action at colleges and universities, meaning Black and Latino students may have more difficulty getting admission into some elite universities.
Asian Americans who applied had higher SAT scores and higher grades than some African American applicants who got admitted. And other more subjective criteria were used to deny admission to the Asian American students.
Other experts say doing away with the 60-year-old legal protection targets minority students.
They believe that people aren't starting from a fair place. And so getting rid of these laws just means that it's not, the colorblind policies aren't really going to make it fair for everyone.
And the decision has some current college students on the fence.
Everybody can get into the school without you looking at race, but just from being, like, say, underserved communities, if you're in an underserved community, like, you're not gonna have the greatest of chance to get in, like, the greatest of schools.
Jared London says he saw how affirmative action frustrated his white friends while they were applying to college.
They're saying, like, how it's not fair how you can get into Texas A&M with a better chance just because you're Black. I wish I was Black, but I gotta have my grades and my standards gotta be higher for me to get in.
But no matter how universities choose to admit students without legal protections, experts say the ruling will change the landscape of college admissions.
It will lower the number of Black and Latino students who are enrolled in our nation's most elite colleges and universities, and that's an unfortunate thing.